Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April the 4th. My name is Anne-Marie Band, and this is the Moneyball Morning Report for the Benzinga Pro platform. I wanted to show you some couple of analytics from TradyTix showing the negative flow for the end of the week for people trading yesterday. On the overall week and then on the overall month, there is a lot of bearish undercurrent. What happens with bearish undercurrent is people start thinking, hey, I'm going to get on top of this move. And so the way they try to get on top of the move is by saying, hey, I'm just going to front run it and I'm going to put my short in here because I know I've seen all of this and I know it's going to fade. And so I'm just going to put my stop just above it. Well, what happens is a lot of people do that. And when a lot of people do that, they end up having to leave because the prices keep moving up. And so this is really what we're seeing. We've got to run into 41.86, 41.87. Doesn't mean we won't fade, folks. It doesn't. But at this juncture, all of the pullbacks become buy zones. What's the key level? It's going to be the high of last week, the 41.4250. Fades into that zone, traders will buy it. I suspect they'll try and hold 41.50. And if they can't hold 41.50, then they're going to stair step into these lower levels. Well, let's see what the daily chart looks like. This is pricing 41.66 because it's not letting us see the intraday motion, which I don't know why. It's really pricing in 41.61, so we are opening under the lower levels, and all of the profit factors and statistical analysis that says, hey, listen, we could close above or below. It's pretty much a coin toss today. So we shall see what happens with these range expansions. They are very murky, very, very murky. Top edge, 42.08, 42.24. Intermediate edge 41.86. That's for upside pressure. Downside pressure 41.22, 41.10. All right, so that's what we're looking at there for the NQ. Same sort of thing. A lot of traders trying to get in front of a move. Getting in front of a move really doesn't pay off unless you have really deep pockets or you're placing a trade and you don't care how much you go upside down. So right here, we are sitting almost the exact same place that we sat yesterday. So notice yesterday's formation, or day before yesterday's formation, what we have is this really big upward flow. We talked about this doji action. It literally went nowhere all day. They're still trying to hold that number, 13,245, with about 25 points of support, 13,227, and then that'll run up the flagpole, 13,350, and potentially, from a monthly perspective, if this really starts running, we've got 13,446, and then 13,600, right? Let's take a look at SPY. Right, SPY closed at 410.95. It's sitting above at 411. You know, 410 is a really big number. They are expanding. Take a look. Bullish flow, sideways flow. And so traders are thinking, yep, we should run into resistance. Oil is going to start to rise. We've got all kinds of inflation things. We have no idea how earnings is going to do. ISM manufacturing number terrible. More the market's going up. That's because people are getting in front of the short. Trading is not easy, right? It can be simple, but it is not easy. And so what we have to do is follow the traders moving upward in the path if we want to participate intraday. We're looking at 414. My suspicion is that we begin to stall out simply because profit factors are really a coin toss in terms of whether we close bullish or not. We've got about seven days of a gap, no, 6 days in times past of a gap that moves and continually heads to the north. So we've got a little bit of breathing that might be a good thing for us. Take a look at the Qs. Q's holding up a little bit better than the NQ. And then again, bullish, bullish, congested, but well over the level of the congestion zone, which is about 313. So pullbacks are buy zones until we stop heading higher. Remember, that's how you do it. Pullbacks are buy zones under trend like this until you stop heading higher. And then you watch for the support floors. And if the support floors do not break, the prices will continue to the north. All right? Or if they break by just a little bit and recapture, prices are going to continue to the north. Simple is as simple does. Be careful today, and I'll see you all tomorrow.